So let's start. Annual Report 2021, 20 to 21, Department of Commerce, Government of India, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Department of Commerce. तो अब इसमें ओवरव्यू क्या क्या अब हम इसमें पढ़ेंगे ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शंस, ग्लोबल इकोनॉमिक एंड ट्रेड सिचुएशन, ट्रेंड्स इन इंडियाज फॉरेन ट्रेड, ट्रेंड इन इंडियाज फॉरेन ट्रेड, foreign trade policy, EXIM, export import trade and major schemes, export promotion mechanism, commercial relation trade agreements and international trade organizations, special economic zones and export oriented units, specialized agencies, programs undertaken for the welfare of SC, STs, OBCs, women and persons with disabilities, transparency, public facilitation and allied activities. Right, लास्ट में annexure. तो ओवरव्यू देख लेते हैं. ठीक है, ग्लोबल इकोनॉमिक ओवरव्यू. The COVID-19 pandemic has inflicted high and rising human cost worldwide, and the necessary protection measures have severely impacted economic activity. Right. The World Economic Outlook October 2020 of the IMF. पहले आप ये कौन निकालता रिपोर्ट? IMF. कौन सी? World Economic Outlook has projected a global growth rate of 4.4%, which is an upward revision of 0.8% as compared to their June projections. Right? The revision indicates better than anticipated GDP outturns in the second quarter and a stronger recovery in the third quarter. Global growth is projected at 5.2% in 2021, which is 0.2% lower than those projected in the June 2020 World Economic Outlook update and reflects expectations of persistent social distancing. IMF's latest forecast of growth rate for advanced economies for 2020 is projected at 5.8%, followed by a rebound in growth to 3.9% in 2021. For emerging markets and developing economies, there is a downgrade with the growth rate projected at 3.3% in 2020 and then a recovery to 6.0% in 2021. With this, the cumulative growth in per capita income for emerging markets and developing economies over 2021 is projected to be higher than that for advanced economies. Global trade. The COVID-19 pandemic represents an unprecedented disruption to the global economy and world trade, right? As production and consumption are scaled back across the globe. As per the WTO, October 2020 estimates, World merchandise trade is expected to decline by 9.2% in 2020, followed by a 7.2% rise in 2021. The trade decline in Asia of 4.5% for exports and 4.4% for imports in 2020 will be smaller than in other regions. World trade shows signs of a bouncing back from a deep COVID-19 induced slump, but any recovery could be disrupted by the ongoing pandemic effects. Performance of trade during the COVID-19 outbreak has much to do with the nature of the pandemic and the policies used to combat it. Lockdowns and travel restrictions have imposed significant supply side constraints on national economies, drastically reducing output and employment in many sectors. At the same time, robust monetary and fiscal policies have propped up incomes, allowing consumption and imports to rebound once lockdowns were eased. Fine. India merchandise trade. Financial year 1920 saw a global economic slowdown, which was aggravated in the last 2 months of the financial year by the onset of the COVID pandemic, which saw export declining by 5.1% from the peak of $330.1 billion in 1819 to $313.4 billion in 1920. During April December 2020, exports were US dollar 200.8 billion as against 238.3 billion during the period April December 2019, registering a negative growth of 15.7%. India's exports have been under much stress in the current financial year. However, given the continued emphasis of the Government of India of increasing competitiveness of Indian exports through export promotion councils and the larger exporter community, India's export performance will be promoted vigorously in the face of these adverse developments. Imports during 1920 also registered a decline of 7.7% from US dollar 514.1 billion in 2018-19 to US dollar 474.7 billion in 1920. Import during April-December 2020 stood at US dollar 258.3 billion, recording a decline of 29.1% compared to US dollar 364.2 billion during April-December 2019. India's service trade